Hello tribe, it's Caribou. Welcome to Thailandia. So today we are going to approach the hand drill fire. It's a very primitive and ancient method, and it takes a bit of time, it takes a bit of effort, and it takes some commitment in order to master it. Let's have a closer look. I got 4 different kind of hand drills here. You see some of them, this one very big, a little shorter, and a very fine and thin one. Actually, it depends on your preference. Through the practice you will experience all of them and you will find which one you really resonate. For example, I love the big ones because I have much time to thrill down, and that's just my preference. The most important thing with the board is that it's dry and soft wood. Alright, the knife should be always close. You need a good knife, like this is the Tom Brown tracker knife, and it's a good piece of metal. It's quite useful and it's just always close to me when I'm in the wild. So guys, the first important step is you need to learn to flow with your hand. Place the board, step on it. If you have the option to be barefoot, be barefoot. It's more natural and you have more sensation, more connection to the element of wood. If you recognize that your hands are dry, spin a bit into it softly and then continue. You should get a good grip now. The first step, you learn this way to flow. I showed you, it's like up, down, down, up. First, it will feel a bit weird and strange, but the more you do it, the more natural it will feel. It's like a smooth movement, flowing on the stick. And then, second step, you learn to handle, to center the stick and spin it down. The first mistake of a beginner looks like this. He takes the stick and he goes like this. And then, oh no, oh no. And that won't work. You need constant smooth pressure to slowly heat it up. And that goes by learning the flow, smoothly, slowly go down, and from here go up again. That's the key. When you can flow up, then you know you master it. And then down. And up. And you see, I spit into it quite often because the hands, they dry out. So to get the right momentum with flowing is the first most important step. The thing is, you need to build up quite small and particular muscles inside. And that just takes time. So once you master the flow, you go there, you stay until you're warm. You stay here until it's warm and smooth, and then bam, you go down. And here you build up pressure and speed. Have a look what happens. All right. That's the second step. So the third step is combining the two. Flowing, ease. It's more like a meditation, tuning in with the element of the fire. Then pressure and speed, a few times. And then bam, you got the fire in the best case. But we don't want theory, we want real life. So how does it look? I'm gonna show it to you right now. I'm going to use this notch, and with the knife, now comes the knife into action. I will cut out a piece of a pie. Let me demonstrate. Okay, I'm finished. Look, this one, it's quite big, but I love it big because it will work easily. Let's get started. So, as I described, I'm starting with the meditative movement of flowing. Easy cheesy, deep inhale, deep exhale will help to stay strong. Don't forget, if it gets too dry, your hands, spin into it. And then comes the moment where you just feel, okay, now it's time to bring speed and pressure into the game. And then it goes like this. Inhale. And the moment you give really everything, you surrender. You give everything, you surrender, bam! And then you receive the coal, which looks like this. And once you have that, you can pretty much relax a bit and bring down your energy. I'm not going to blow it to a fire. I just did not prepare the tinder bundle, but basically you bring that now into the tinder bundle and then you start the fire. Sometimes that's a hard job. That's not always easy. Depends on the tinder bundle and your ability to really be a skilled fire maker, actually. Remember, I practiced for a year, almost every single day, the hand drill. So you build up strong hands, strong skin, and that's just takes time. If there are any questions, please let me know and I'll love to answer or go into another video with some more details about certain areas of the hand drill. So said that, I wish you much luck and I wish you a lot of enjoyment and see you next time. Bye bye.